education hub for kids.
1 car. 2 bicycle. 3 bus. 4 truck. 5 car. 6 bike. 7 7 ambulance. 8 8 car. 9 9 scooter. 10 10 tractor.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
E is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. F is for fig. G is for guava. H is for hazelnut. I is for ikako. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. L is for lablab. M is for mango. N is for nashi pear. O is for orange. P is for plum. is for quince. R. R is for raspberry. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tangelo. U. U is for ugly fruit. V. V is for velvet apple. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for zinnia. Y. Y is for yuzu. Z. Z is for Zinfandel grapes. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.